Print all day dates between two dates. For example, I'm looking for simple code to print all dates in between. Thanks.
I came up with this. The output. Your question asks for dates in between, but I believe you meant including the start and end points, so they are included. To remove the end date, delete the +1 at the end of the range function. To remove the start date, insert a 1 argument to the beginning of the range function.
Using a list comprehension.
Essentially the same as Gringo Suave's answer, but with a generator. Then you can use it as follows. Or like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.